Firstly, you just got to remove the window switches. Here I'm using a plastic pry tool. Clip that out and unplug it. And all the dials just pull straight out of the heater controls, so do that as well. Next, undo the single Phillips head screw from behind where the window switches were. And then you just need to pry out the whole face panel using your plastic pry tool or similar implement, taking your time to carefully go around the edges until it clips out on its own. Try not to force it at all. Then you can simply see the Phillips head screws to remove the radio, and then you're done. That's all you need to do. The radio will remove easily from there.